Now, Coinbase basically signed a deal with the devil this morning in this partnership that they've agreed to with BlackRock. Guys, BlackRock has $10 trillion plus in assets under management. Coinbase has seen their revenue, their net earnings, all of their financials declining quarter after quarter throughout this year. And so therefore, they're backed into a corner and sign a deal with BlackRock. Now, what this deal and this partnership basically does is allows BlackRock's institutional clients to have access to cryptocurrency through Coinbase Prime. I do want to talk a little bit about this deal and what it means for the prices of Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Terra Luna Classic, and so on. But I also want to talk about this partnership and what it means for your crypto, especially if you're holding on Coinbase, and even if you're not, because this could absolutely have a ripple effect through the rest of the cryptocurrency market. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And look, we're on a massive dip right now, and it's starting to bounce back a little bit. So people are getting excited. And this deal with Coinbase could lead to something good, or it could lead to something catastrophic. So I want to talk about this partnership between Coinbase and BlackRock. I want to talk about some of the pros and cons and what it could potentially mean for your cryptocurrency, whether or not you're holding your crypto on Coinbase or another major centralized exchange. Now, it's no surprise that centralized exchanges have been getting hit very hard throughout 2022 here. We've seen Webull go down. We've seen Voyager go down. We've seen Celsius. We've seen Three Arrows Capital, the hedge fund, the crypto hedge fund out there, go bankrupt, and it's devastating cryptocurrency markets, and it's devastating the trust that clients have in these crypto exchanges. Why? Because we're not considered depositors. It's no longer considered our money. We're not custodians. We are creditors. Now, this is interesting, okay? Because what they're doing here is taking your loans, or taking your money, your deposits, considering them loans, and then loaning them out to big institutions, just like BlackRock. Now, guys, let's first go over the pros, and then we're going to go over some of the cons that this deal could potentially have for Coinbase, Shiba Inu coin, Terra Luna Classic, any cryptocurrency for that matter, and other centralized exchanges as well. So we know that Coinbase has been doing very poorly with its fundamentals and with its financials over the course of 2022. We've seen them decline. And we are going to get the second quarter earnings report here. I believe it's scheduled for next week. We're going to have to see what that looks like. But the first quarter was bad news. I mean, there's no other way to put it. Coinbase had bad earnings. The revenue was deeply declining. They were losing active members. And their net profit was deeply declining and negative at that point. I believe, and I believe they believe, that's a lot of belief, right? The Coinbase absolutely expects a poor earnings report because of the extension of the decline that the cryptocurrency market has been seeing throughout 2022. If you look at the first quarter of 2022 compared to the second quarter of 2022, crypto has not rebounded. Transactional volume is not up. As a matter of fact, things have continued to decline. And therefore, Coinbase is in a very tight spot. What better way to get out of being trapped in a corner than signing a deal with the devil? Unlimited money in BlackRock. We've got institutional investors that are now going to be coming in and basically salvaging Coinbase at this point, giving them the lifeline that they needed. Now, this is good because if it works out, if Coinbase is able to integrate with these institutional clients and institutional clients begin to trade and own cryptocurrency at an advanced rate, it's not only going to be good for Coinbase's fundamentals and financials, it's going to be good for the cryptocurrency market in the sense that there's a great influx of money. Therefore, demand is going to increase, volume is going to increase, and the prices of our cryptocurrencies that we own could increase as well based on that boost in demand. Now, here's what we don't want to see happen. We don't want to see Coinbase continue to deteriorate and get swallowed up by BlackRock. That is the last thing that we want to see in the cryptocurrency space, is a major crypto exchange with 90 million users across the world. Think about that, guys. If you're talking something like Voyager, it's got 3 million users, devastating people when they go bankrupt, devastating people when they're considering these assets loans as opposed to deposits. If that happened to 90 million people, it would be catastrophic for the crypto space. So guys, what might be happening here? BlackRock sees that Coinbase is in distress. BlackRock comes in and is the hero with their institutional investors. And then BlackRock swallows Coinbase whole because it can no longer sustain itself, and because Coinbase can no longer act as an independent entity. It has to have that, I guess, value from the partnership, and BlackRock is just basically setting themselves up to own the entirety of the crypto market. I understand that Binance is a very large centralized exchange. I understand that you have your choice of centralized exchanges, but Coinbase is where you need to go if you want control. And if BlackRock swoops in, and now all of a sudden BlackRock owns the real estate market, BlackRock owns farmland, BlackRock owns the entire digital asset market. BlackRock is basically the essence of our global financial system at that point. Guys, I know this is kind of like a best case and a worst case scenario type of a deal. It is the major pros and cons of what we got going on right now, but it should be a slight concern if things continue in the same direction that they're going. Now, I hope that Coinbase is well aware of what they're doing here. I hope that it is not a necessity to take this partnership with BlackRock, and I hope that Coinbase is able to grow because of it, and therefore the cryptocurrency market, I guess, regains its confidence, is the way I want to put it. Because if things start to deteriorate in the world's largest crypto exchange, it is going to have just a catastrophic ripple effect throughout the rest of the cryptocurrency market. I want to know what you guys think, though. Tell me about Coinbase down in the comments below, whether or not you think this was a good move or they literally did just sign a deal with the devil, right? There's no other way to put it. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull. There is a free Discord down in the description as well. Make sure to join that. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.